Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of differentiation, that's logarithmic differentiation. Now we've done the basic formulas, the composite formulas. Logarithmic differentiation, we start with the formula, the derivative of log x with respect to x is equals to 1 by x, right? And the derivative of log f of x is going to be 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. For example, if you have derivative of log sin x, then you can write 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x, or this becomes cot x. Clear? We had done a few sums last time in the composite functions also where you had log. Like, suppose you have a question, y is equals to log of cosec x minus cot x. So if I differentiate this with respect to x, I'll get dy by dx will be equal to, this is again what form, log f of x. ये पूरा f of x है, right? So log f of x का derivative होगा 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. So this becomes 1 upon f of x is the whole bracket cosec x minus cot x into derivative of that bracket. So you can write directly. अभी मैंने पूरा step लिखा है ताकि I can explain you better. So you can write this answer directly this way: 1 upon cosec x minus cot x into derivative of cosec x. Now what's the derivative of cosec? Cosec का derivative will be minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, and cot का derivative, the derivative of cot is minus cosec square, right? But you already have a minus sign here. So minus of cot का derivative is minus cosec square. So that minus and minus becomes plus. So plus cot का derivative is minus cosec square x. That minus of minus becomes plus. Okay. Now you can see you can take cosec common in these two terms. You can take 1 cosec x common, right? So if you take cosec x common, the whole term gets cancelled. See. So you get that for dy by dx is equals to, you have taken cosec x common in the numerator. cosec x common लोगे तो bracket में मिलेगा आपको cosec x minus cot x और minus cot x plus cosec x. तो मैंने उल्टा लिखा है, minus cot x plus cosec को I have written cosec x minus cot x upon the denominator जो था वही लिखा है cosec x minus cot x. You can check again, I have taken cosec common. So cosec common लिया तो you get cosec x minus cot x upon cosec x minus cot x. Clear? This cosec x minus cot x gets cancelled now. So ये पूरा bracket cancel हो जाएगा. And the answer is dy by dx is equals to cosec x. Clear? So these kind of questions we have done already. Derivative of log x का derivative is 1 by x and log f of x का derivative is 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. Now the sums we are going to solve today. For that you need log ka rules to be known very thoroughly first. So I'll just revise the rules of logarithms. Log is the converse of exponential form. So if you have, if a raised to x is equals to b, then you can write this as log of b to the base a is equals to x, and vice versa. If log of b to the base a is equals to x, log of b to the base a is equals to x, then you can say a raised to x is equals to b. A raised to x is equals to b. So a raised to x is equals to b. That's a basic definition. Then you have rules of log. Log of a plus log of b is equals to log of a into b. Okay, so here in the sums हम लोग उल्टा यूज़ करेंगे. log of a into b can be written as log a plus log b. log of a into b is log a plus log b. log of a into b into c आएगा ना, you can write log of, suppose you have log of a into b into c, so you can write this as log a plus log b plus log c. Clear? So log of a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Log of a into b is equals to log a plus log b. The second rule is log of a upon b. Log of a upon b is equals to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. Log of a plus b is equals to log of a into b, or log of a into b is equals to log of ab is equals to log a plus log b. Log of a upon b is equals to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. And very, very, very important is, what is log of a plus b or a minus b? Can I write this as log a plus log b, or minus होगा तो minus? Yes or no? No, this is wrong. So you have to be very conscious that this step is wrong. It's wrong. There's no rule for log of bracket के अंदर a plus b. You can't take that log inside the bracket. log एक function है, तो ये बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखना सब लोग, ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है. Okay? So log of ab is equal to log a plus log b. Log of a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. The third rule is log of a raised to m. That m comes to the base, it becomes m times log a. m times log a. Log of a raised to m is equals to m नीचे आ जाएगा. अगर आपके पास log of phi square है, it is log of phi square. You can write this as 2 log phi. 2 log phi. But इसमें भी एक कंडीशन है, याद रखना, log of a the whole raised to m होगा ना, तो m नीचे नहीं आएगा. Then it's not equal to m log a. So what is the difference between this and this? Please be careful here. A का power m है, a का power m है, so m comes to the base, you get m log a. But if you have log a the whole raised to m, you can't write this as m log a. You have studied this in 11th standard last year. Okay? So be careful about this. These rules are the most important one. Log of ab is equal to log a plus log b. Log of abc आया तो log a plus log b plus log c. It can be any number of terms. Log of a upon b आया तो it's log a minus log b. Log of a raised to m आएगा तो it becomes m log a. m log a. Now I merge all the rules because हम लोग सम्स में डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करने वाले. सपोज आपके पास have log of, if you have log of a raised to x into b raised to y upon c raised to m into d raised to n, then how do you apply the log rule and split everyone together? So you can write this as x log a directly, plus y log b minus m log c and minus n log d. एक साथ मैंने सब रूल्स अप्लाई किए. log of a इंटू बी है ना, दिस बिकम्स log a प्लस log b. अपॉन है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस log c माइनस log d. उसमें a नहीं है, a रेज टू x है, तो a रेज टू x का log विल बिकम x log a. सो यू रिटर्न डायरेक्टली x log a प्लस y log b minus m log c minus n log t. This is what you are supposed to remember there. Clear? Then the fourth property is log of any number to the same base is equals to 1. So in maths the base is e. If you have log e, then it's equal to 1, and log of 1 is always equal to 0. Log of 1 to any base which is not equal to 0 is equal to 0. So log 1 is equal to 0. Clear? These are the most important rules you require for log. Now let's go to a sum now. Now I'll teach you the main concept of logarithmic differentiation. So I'll just give you one question first. How do you solve y is equal to x raised to x? Come on, solve this. How do you solve this question? Y is equal to x raised to x. Now try to recollect. Suppose you had y is equal to x raised to some number. तो इसका एक फॉर्मूला था, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या था? dy by dx was n into x raised to n minus 1, बराबर. बट इसमें ऊपर नंबर था. दूसरा एक फॉर्मूला था y is equal to number raised to x any number raised to x. Here the derivative was number raised to x, the derivative was n raised to x into log of n. हम लोग ने a लिखा था, so a raised to x into log a. n होगा तो n raised to x into log n, right? Here you have x raised to some number and here you have number raised to x, number raised to x. यहाँ पे कोई भी फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. दिस इज एक्स रेज टू एक्स. इसमें ना तो नीचे नंबर है ना ऊपर नंबर है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन, और यू कैन से वेरिएबल रेज टू वेरिएबल. इट्स कॉल्ड फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन. मतलब नीचे भी एक्स और ऊपर भी एक्स है. हाउ डू यू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस ना? अगर वो फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन है, यू कैन यूज़ दिस फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो एंड यू कैन यूज़ दिस फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो. आप ये फॉर्मूला भी नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो. This formula is not applicable and this formula is also not applicable. Then how do you solve these kind of questions? So wherever you have variable raised to variable का single term आएगा ना, तो best you have to take log. So if I say taking log on both the sides, तो उसको solve करने के लिए we write taking log on both the sides. So if I take log on both the sides, I'll get x log x. Log y will be equals to log of x raised to x, which can be directly written as x log x. So you should not write this step. You can directly write log y is equal to x into log x, right? Now you can differentiate. Now differentiation is possible. पहले differentiation possible नहीं था. So differentiating. Now this is log y with respect to x कर रहे हैं हम लोग, है ना? So log y का derivative with respect to x will be 1 upon y into derivative of y. Okay, 1 upon y into derivative of y. This is log y with respect to x. So it's going to 1 by y into y का भी derivative आएगा. और यहाँ पे u into v आएगा. You'll have u into v. You will have derivative of u into v because multiplication, right? So apply u into v. It's u into v का formula is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. So when you apply that u into v का formula here, you get x into log x का derivative is 1 by x plus log x into x का derivative 1. Clear? So this becomes dy by dx is equal to x gets cancelled. You get 1. यहाँ पे x और x cancel हो जाएगा. Fine. So you get 1 plus log x. और यहाँ पे y भी था, है ना? y को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. So dy by dx is equals to y into 1 plus log x. You can resubstitute the value of y. Question में y कितना था? y was x raised to x. So instead of y you can write x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Is that clear? That's your answer. So I mean to say, when you have variable raised to variable or function raised to function, you can't differentiate directly. For these kind of questions we use logarithmic differentiation. So let's remember this as a standard point now. So please remember this. These are the following types which are to be remembered. The type 1 is, suppose you have y is equals to function raised to function. मतलब ऊपर भी x है और नीचे भी x है. और some books it's written variable raised to variable. So function raised to function, or you can say variable raised to variable, single term or product of two terms. है ये बहुत अच्छे से याद रखना. Variable raised to variable का single term होगा, or you have product or ratio of two or more terms. Some difference नहीं चलेगा. Product or ratio of two or more terms. It should not be plus between two terms. It can be two function raised to function into और एक function raised to function वाला कोई term होगा. For these type of sums, what you have to do is the steps to solve these kind of questions. You have to take log and उसको simple बनाना है, simplify करना है using log rules. Okay, now you can differentiate. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay, and you can use u into v formula if it is variable raised to variable का single term. So you can differentiate. I'll take one more example for this. Suppose you have y is equals to root x raised to sin x. So how do you solve this now? Y is equal to root x raised to sin x. यहाँ पे नीचे भी x है ऊपर भी x है. You can't solve this directly. So we say taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. When I take log, I get log y is equals to sin x नीचे आ जाएगा into log of root x आएगा. Right? Now I can differentiate with respect to x. So यहाँ पे log y है. Log y का डेट इज 1/y into derivative of y. Here you have to use u into v. So sin x into log root x का derivative. So 1/root x into derivative root x भी आएगा. That become 1/2 root x. Please understand this. I repeat again. This is sin into log root x. So u into इसका derivative आएगा. So sin x is the same. Sin x into इसका derivative. So ये log f of x है. तो इसका derivative होगा 1/f of x into f of x का भी derivative. So 1/2 root x. Clear? So this is u into derivative v हो गया ना, plus v is log root x into derivative of sin x. Sin x का derivative is cos x. Clear? Now you can multiply these two terms and you can bring that y on this side. So सब एक ही स्टेप में लिख दो. dy by dx is equals to y यहाँ पे आ गया, right? Into वो अंदर वाले terms बताइए. What will be the remaining terms there? Sin x upon 2x. Sin x upon 2x. That root x into root x becomes x, so it becomes 2x plus cos x into log of root x. Cos x into log of root x. Clear? Now you can substitute the value of y. So maybe in the next question you can directly write y का value here. ये वाला step लिखने का भी ज़रूरत नहीं. y का value कितना था? root x raised to sin x into the bracket term remains the same. Sin x upon 2x plus cos x into log of root x. Clear? Let's take one more difficult question of this type. You have y is equals to x raised to x raised to x. Now this is little more complicated. This variable raised to variable raised to variable. So how do you solve this? ये भी direct solve नहीं होगा. So we take log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. Now when I take log, you know क्या होगा मालूम है क्या? ये पूरा वेरिएबल एक सिंगल टर्म है. ये एक सिंगल वेरिएबल है. दिख रहा है सबको? So is x raised to this whole term. So when I take log x raised to, ये पूरा नीचे आ जाएगा, है ना? So if I take log, I get log y will be equal to, that power will come to the base. So x raised to x into log x हो जाएगा. Right? Now can you differentiate? Yes or no? No, you can't differentiate because again you have variable raised to variable. जब तक वो वेरिएबल raised to variable फॉर्म में हम लोग डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते. इसको और एक बार log लेना पड़ेगा. So I'll say again taking log on both the sides. So now if I take log, I get log of log y will be equals to log of this term. So log of ये दोनों terms आएगा. Right? This can be written as log of a. This is a into b, right? What is log of a into b? Log of a into b को I can write log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. So this becomes log of first term plus log of second term. So log of first term will become x log x log x plus log of second term is log of log x. So your left hand side is log of log y is equals to x log x plus log of log x. Okay. Now you can differentiate this with respect to x. So if I say differentiating with respect to x, ध्यान से सॉल्व करिए इसको. log of log y है. सो ये बेसिक फंक्शन log of log y है. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 1 log y इंटू फिर log y का डेरिवेटिव आएगा. दैट बिकम 1 log y इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log y. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log y विल बी 1 y इंटू dy by dx. क्लियर? इट्स गोइंग टू बी log of log y. सो it's log f of x. तो 1 log y into derivative of log y is 1 y dy by dx. In the right hand side यहाँ पे है ना, you have to use u into v here. u into v. So x into log x का derivative will be u इंटू वी यूज़ करोगे तो x इंटू लॉग एक्स का डेरिवेटिव 1/x प्लस लॉग एक्स इंटू एक्स का डेरिवेटिव 1, राइट, प्लस log of log x. Log of log x का डेरिवेटिव will be 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1/x. Log of log x will be 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1/x. So this can be written as dy by dx and shift that y log y this side, y log y ब्रैकेट के अंदर यहाँ पे ना x x gets cancelled, ओके मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया y log y को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया y log y इंटू ब्रैकेट के अंदर you will get 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x log x, 1 upon x log x, clear? And now you can resubstitute the value of y and log y. So I can write dy by dx is equal to y का value was x raised to x raised to x, okay, into log y. Log y का value, what was log y का value? Log y का value was x raised to x log x. So log y का value was x raised to x into log x, and the bracket term is same, 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x log x, clear? So if you have variable raised to variable raised to variable, you have to take log twice, clear? So this was the first type where you had variable raised to variable का single term, variable raised to variable का single term होगा, function raised to function का single term आया तो आपको log लेना है और फिर differentiate करना है, okay? This second type here, suppose you have type 2, your function y is the product of three or more complicated terms. Y is equal to u into v into w, and u, v are very complicated functions of x. Or you will have y is equals to u into v into w upon some p into q into r. These are all functions, okay? So you have product or ratio of three or more complex terms, difficult terms, complicated functions of x. इसमें भी तुम लोग डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करने जाओगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक लॉग. सो फॉर दीज काइंड ऑफ सम्स ऑल्सो यू कैन से टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. So you have to take log on both the sides. Then simplify, इसको simple बनाना है using log का rules, okay, and then differentiate. एक बार वो simple हो जाएगा फिर उसका differentiation बहुत easy है, बहुत fast हो जाएगा. And remember this rule मैंने उधर लिखा था, log of a raised to m into b raised to n upon p raised to r into q raised to s. So this is going to be what? M log a plus n log b minus r log p and minus the negative terms r log q, whatever it is. Clear? So we'll be using that. So let's take an example where you have complicated terms, or you might have a sum of the type. So I'll take an example for this now. So let's solve a question which will make you understand this whole concept more clearly. Suppose you have y is equal to x raised to x upon tan square x into sin raised to 5x. So how do you solve this now? Tell me. So in the numerator you have variable raised to variable, और फिर उसमें ratio में denominator में complicated terms है. So you better take log on both the sides. So if I say taking log on both the sides, this becomes log of a. You can imagine the numerator as a. सोचो ये a है, ये b और ये c है ना? So it's log of a upon bc. Log of a upon bc becomes log of a minus log of b minus log of c. The numerator terms are positive and the denominator terms are negative. तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? log लिया तो log y will be equal to ऊपर वाला टर्म का log लो, you get x log x माइनस tan स्क्वायर का log लिया तो 2 log tan x हो जाएगा, 2 नीचे आ जाएगा, log of tan x आएगा, राइट? और 5 log sin x हो जाएगा, माइनस 5 log of sin x. Clear? Now you can differentiate this very easy. You can say differentiating with respect to x because अभी सारे terms differentiable है. So log y का derivative will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. यहाँ पे u into v आएगा. So x into log x का derivative is 1 by x plus log x into x का derivative 1. It's u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u minus 2 into log tan x का derivative is 1 upon tan x into derivative of tan x is sec square x minus 5 into log sin x का derivative is 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Clear? So your x gets cancelled. You can cross multiply. dy by dx is equals to y bracket में 1 plus log x minus 2 1 upon tan x को you can write cot x into sec square x minus 5 cos upon sin को you can write cot x. इसमें y का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, that'll be answer there. Clear? One more example. Suppose you have y is equal to x plus 1 into sec raised to 5x upon x plus 2 the whole cube into x plus 3 the whole power 4. So here you can see the numerator and denominator complicated terms, right? ऊपर भी दो terms है, नीचे भी दो terms है और उसमें powers भी है. So we take log on both the sides. Log will make the sum simpler, taking log on both the sides. So this becomes log y और यहाँ पे log of you will have log of a, b, c and d, है ना? उसका log लिया तो you'll get log a plus log b minus log c minus log d और वो पावर भी नीचे ले लो, you'll get log of numerator का first term is log of x plus 1 plus 5 log of sec x, 5 नीचे आ जाएगा, log of sec x डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस 3 log of x plus 2 and the last term will be minus 4 log of x plus 3. Clear? Now you can differentiate with respect to x. So again log y का derivative will be 1 upon y dy by dx will be equals to log of x plus 1. Now log of x plus 1 का derivative will be 1 upon x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1 is 1, है ना? 1 upon x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1. 1 upon x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1 is 1. इसका derivative आएगा 5 log sec x, है ना? So 5 log 5 is a constant. Log sec x का derivative will be 1 upon sec x into derivative of sec x. So you write this as plus 5 into log sec x का derivative is 1 upon sec x into derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Sec x tan x minus 3 into log of x plus 2 का derivative. So 1 upon x plus 2 into derivative of x plus 2 आएगा और minus 4 log of x plus 3. So it's going to be minus 3 log of x plus 2 का derivative will be 1 upon x plus 2 into derivative of x plus 2 is 1 and the next term is minus 4 log of x plus 3. So इसका derivative will be 1 upon x plus 3 into derivative of x plus 3 is 1. Clear? So now you can cross multiply y, dy by dx is equal to y into 1 upon x plus 1 plus 5 tan x because sec x gets cancelled in the second term minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. Clear? And for the final answer you can substitute the value of y here. So put the y value as of is given the question and you get the answer there. Clear? The next and the most important type of logarithmic differentiation, the third type. This is very important. You will have the question will be y is equals to function रेज टू फंक्शन वाला टर्म और एक फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन वाला टर्म. ओके, बट लास्ट स्टेप में हम लोग लिखा था मल्टीप्लिकेशन या डिविजन होगा. यहाँ पे आई एम राइटिंग योर प्लस और माइनस. योर फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन वाला 2 टर्म्स होगा या 3 टर्म्स होगा, and they are connected by a plus or minus sign. They have a plus or minus operator. This is the most important one. If you have plus or minus operator, then you can't take log, you can't differentiate. If there is a plus or minus sign between them, you can't take log. हम लोग log नहीं ले सकते because log लिया तो log of a plus b हो जाएगा. There is no rule for log of a plus b. There is no rule for log of a plus b. You can write this as log a plus log b. I think I told you this, है ना. सो इसको हम लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. तो यहाँ पे लॉग भी नहीं ले सकते, डिफरेंशिएट भी नहीं कर सकते. देन हाउ डू यू सॉल्व दिस? सो टू सॉल्व दिस, रिमेंबर यू हैव टू सेपरेट देम एंड सॉल्व. You have to separate and then solve. So how you separate? You have to assume the first term as u. So let u is equal to the first function. इसको u assume करना. Okay? And v is equal to the second function. So let the first function is equal to u and second function is equal to v. दोनों को अलग अलग separate करना. So remember you have to separate and then solve. So this is very important. Separate and then differentiate. The separate is very important. पहले log भी नहीं लेना है, पहले differentiate भी नहीं करना. You have to separate them first. उसके बाद you can solve by the first method, है ना. If you have function raised to function का single term, so you have to differentiate u and v separately. दोनों को अलग अलग separately करना है. By taking log, अगर वो variable raised to variable होगा तो. By taking log, if required. I mean if required because अगर वो function raised to function log लेना पड़ेगा आपको. Okay, and solve. इसको सॉल्व करना है. सॉल्व टू फाइंड, डिफरेंशिएट करके फाइंड करोगे तो you'll get du by dx and dv by dx. You'll get the derivative of u and derivative of v. Okay, और लास्ट में you have to write finally you had taken y, the function question as y is equal to u plus v, बराबर. So your final answer will be what? Therefore dy by dx will be equals to du by dx प्लस माइनस जो भी होगा बीच में dv by dx. So here वो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना, you get answer there. Clear? So the most important one, function raised to function के 2 टर्म्स या 3 टर्म्स होंगे जिनके बीच में you will have प्लस साइन और माइनस साइन. They are connected by a plus or minus operator. So if there's a plus or minus operator, you can't solve them directly. फिर उसको डायरेक्टली सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. उसके लिए you have to separate them first. Okay, you can't differentiate, you can't take log, you have to separate them and then solve. So let's take one example here. This is the most important type. Suppose you have a question, and these questions are also important. Suppose you have y is equals to x raised to x plus a raised to x plus x raised to a plus a raised to a. So check out this question. यहाँ पे first function है x raised to x. This is variable raised to variable वाला term. फिर ये direct differentiate हो जाएगा a raised to x raised to a. This is x raised to some number and number raised to number. A is a constant. Okay. So problem is only with the first term. Variable raised to variable है. बाकी से हम लोग एक साथ differentiate कर सकते हैं, है ना. Now they are connected by a plus sign here. So you can't take log. Neither you can differentiate because ये differentiate नहीं हो रहा. This is function raised to function. So we have to assume the terms as u, v and separate them and then solve, right? So किसको u assume करने का? We assume the first term as u and the remaining all the terms as v because ये सारे terms एक साथ differentiate हो जाएंगे. इसमें function raised to function नहीं है, right? तो हम लोग इसको u लेंगे और ये पूरे terms को v लेंगे. So we write let. So how do we solve? Let u is equal to the first term and v is equal to the remaining terms because they can be differentiated, right? Now you can solve them separately. First I'll start with u now. So u is equal to x raised to x. अभी ये वेरिएबल रेस टू वेरिएबल है, so I have to take log and solve. Taking log on both the sides, I get log u will be equal to x log x. Right? Now I can differentiate. So differentiating with respect to x. So if I differentiate with respect to x, log u का derivative will be 1 upon u into du by dx. 1 upon u into du by dx, and x log x के लिए u into v. So x into log x का derivative is 1 by x plus log x into x का derivative 1. So this becomes du by dx is equal to, I'll cross multiply u and put the value directly, x raised to x. इसमें x cancel होगा, you get 1 plus log x. I repeat this, यहाँ पे ना x कैंसिल हुआ है, ठीक है ना. सो आई गॉट 1 प्लस लॉग एक्स एंड यू को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके उसका वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ योर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ यू, राइट. नाउ आई स्टार्ट विद v. व्हाट इज v? टेल मी. v वैल्यू क्या था? v a रेज टू x प्लस x रेज टू a प्लस a रेज टू a. These all can be differentiated directly. There is no need to take log. So you can write differentiating with respect to x. So you'll get dv by dx will be equals to a raised to x into log a, first term का derivative, plus x raised to any number. x raised to a का derivative is a into x raised to a minus 1, है ना. वो x raised to number है, so first formula. And a raised to a is all constant, उसमें x है ही नहीं, ये constant है पूरा, इसमें x नहीं है, तो उसका derivative 0. Clear? So this is the value of derivative of v. So you can mark this as equation 2. You can eliminate that 0. Now you had taken y as u plus v, है ना. u और v लिया था, तो y is u plus v. इसको differentiate किया तो you get dy by dx will be equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So you have to bring the values here. So dy by dx is equals to du by dx का value कितना था? du by dx का value was x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So du by dx becomes x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x plus dv by dx. dv by dx was a raised to x into log a plus a into x raised to a minus 1. Clear? So that is your final answer for the whole function. Clear? So whenever you have variables to variable का दो terms, तीन terms जिनका बीच में plus या minus sign है, you can't differentiate directly. You have to separate them and then take log. Okay? Let's have one more example of this type. Suppose you have a question y is equals to say sin x raised to tan x. Okay, plus cos x raised to cot x. So how do you solve this now? This again function raised to function का दो terms है जिनका बीच में plus sign है. Plus sign है, minus sign होगा. You can't differentiate, you can't take log here. So you have to separate them. So we write let u is equal to sin x raised to tan x, okay, and v is equals to cos x raised to cot x. So now we start solve the derivative of u. Okay, so u is equal to sin x raised to tan x. This is variable raised to variable, so you have to take log on both the sides. So take log on both the sides. If I take log, I get log u will be equals to tan x into log of sin x, right. Now you can differentiate, और differentiate करेंगे तो यहाँ पे u into v आएगा. You have to apply u into v का formula. Clear? So right, differentiating with respect to x, log u का derivative will be 1 upon u into du by dx. That will be equals to tan x ऐसे रहेगा into log sin x का derivative. u ऐसे रहेगा, log sin x का derivative is 1 upon sin x into derivative sin x is cos x, right. So u into derivative v हो गया plus v ऐसे रहेगा into इसका derivative आएगा. So log sin x into derivative of tan x. Into derivative of tan x is sec square x. Clear? So shift that u on that side, du by dx. U को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके उसकी वैल्यू लिख दो डायरेक्टली सीधा. So u is sin x raised to tan x. Clear? Into. Now everyone listen here. This tan and this is cot. Cos upon sin is cot, right? Or you can imagine this tan as sin upon cos, है ना? So they get cancelled and get answer as 1. Or you can write tan x और ये 1 upon ये कॉट है, कॉट इज 1 अपॉन टैन होता है, तो टैन और टैन कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे का रेसिप्रोकल है, ये टैन और ये कॉट है. दे गेट्स कैंसिल एंड यू गेट 1 हियर. आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्टली 1 प्लस सेक स्क्वायर एक्स इंटू लॉग ऑफ साइन एक्स. राइट, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ u. दैट्स द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u. नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद v. व्हाट वाज v cos x raised to cot x. This again variable raised to variable, so you have to take log on both the sides. If I take log, I get log v ln v or log v is equals to cot x into log of cos x. Now you can differentiate because अभी power नीचे है. You have to use again u into v here. This is u and this is v. So differentiating with respect to x, log v का डेट इज 1 अपॉन v dv by dx. यहाँ पे u इंटू वी यूज़ किया तो cot x इंटू log cos x का डेट इज 1 अपॉन cos x इंटू डेट ऑफ cos x इज माइनस sin x प्लस log cos x इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot इज माइनस cosec square x, माइनस cosec square x, right? So you get dv by dx will be equals to cross multiply v on this side and put the value of v here. So value of v was cos x raised to cot x. Direct cos x raised to cot x. That's the value of v into. Again here as the last term sin upon cos is tan, बराबर. और ये cot है. tan और cot एक दूसरे का रेसिप्रोकल है तो वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 1 मिलेगा. So you'll get minus 1 here because there's a minus sign. Minus cosec square x into log of cos x. Clear? That's the derivative of v now. So you have derivative of u, derivative of v. Now you have taken the function question as u plus v. So y is equal to u plus v. Differentiating, you get dy by dx will be equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So that becomes dy by dx is equals to, bring that du by dx and dv by dx का values here and write them. So it was du by dx was sin x raised to tan x into bracket you had 1 plus x square x into log of sin x. 1 plus x square x into log of sin x plus dv by dx was plus cos x raised to cot x. Cos x raised to cot x into minus 1 minus cosec square x into cosec square x into log of cos x. Clear? So that's the answer. So practice some more questions of this type. That will make your concept more stronger. And remember the points what I had said. The first type was variable raised to variable single term. Variable raised to variable single term आया या प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 और मोर टर्म्स आया. इन दैट केस फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन और वेरिएबल रेज टू वेरिएबल का सिंगल टर्म होगा या प्रोडक्ट और रेशियो ऑफ 2 और मोर टर्म्स होगा. देन यू हैव टू फर्स्ट टेक लॉग, सिंप्लीफाई एंड देन सॉल्व. यू हैव टू टेक लॉग, उसको सिंपल बनाना है और फिर बाद में डिफरेंशिएट करना है. पहले डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते. टाइप 2 था यू हैव फंक्शंस का 3 फंक्शंस का प्रोडक्ट है या 3 या ज़्यादा फंक्शंस का रेशियो है. सो फर्स्ट टेक लॉग, उसको सिंपल बनाना है और फिर डिफरेंशिएट करना है. ओके. एंड द लास्ट वन वाज वेरिएबल रेज टू वेरिएबल और फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन के 2 टर्म्स है, 3 टर्म्स है, 4 टर्म्स है जिनके बीच में प्लस या माइनस साइन है. इफ देयर इज अ प्लस और माइनस ऑपरेटर देन यू कैंट सॉल्व बाय डिफरेंशिएटिंग और यू कैन सॉल्व बाय टेकिंग लॉग ऑल्सो. आप पहले लॉग भी नहीं ले सकते हो, पहले डिफरेंशिएट भी नहीं कर सकते हो. in that case you have to separate first and then solve. Okay, so separate them. Assume the first term as u, second term as v, and then solve. Okay, so please practice more questions. We'll solve some more questions in the next lecture. Thank you so much.